Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get these new fences on Grey Garden. So if you go here, there is a new Greek fence, laser fence, and the one that I have ascended fence, as well as the fairy fence. So to get the ascended Greek and laser, you will need to do an ascension here, and you'll need garden coins to get that fence. So here, what are you selling? If you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see there's a laser fence, Greek fence, and an ascended fence. I don't know why it's very hard for me to pronounce that. But if you want the fairy fence, you'll need to complete this new garden guide. You'll need to complete the achievements here. So I've only done a few. I'll need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. Okay, this one's pretty easy to do, but yeah, that's pretty much how you can get these new fences, either by ascending or doing the fairy achievement. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.